Hello, my name is Gamze Dağlıoğlu, founder of the Dağlıoğlu Software Consultancy Company. We have been provided SPICE consultancy service to hundreds of software companies for 6 years. Now, I want to give you some information about the project management process for automotive SPICE. Firstly, you should prepare the feasibility report to decide whether to start your project. Feasibility report content project boundaries and project scope, project goals, project duration, project resources, and project technical information like to approximate the number of requirements. If the feasibility report is approved by the top manager, you can start your project. Secondly, you should prepare the project schedule. And VBS, Gantt chart. And I advise to our customers MS Project tool because this tool has the baseline options and reports options. I use these reports on the monthly progress report. For example, completed milestones status report. Project schedule content, procedures, project activities, project start finish date, and resources, costs. Thirdly, you should prepare project management plan, so master plan, and project management plan content, project scope, project definition, project life cycle, for example, waterfall and Scrum, water Scrum. Your team's experience, skills and experience, your organizations and stakeholders' responsibilities, and project inputs and outputs, project progress actually. Fourthly, you should prepare the monthly progress report for monitor to customers and top manager. Monthly progress report content, completed milestones status, milestones next month, milestones in progress, change requests status, problems status, and corrective activities status, goals status, risk, and these are so more important to automotive SPICE. Last thing is, if the project close, you should prepare the project closing report. Closing report content, project deviations, status of project, risks, lessons learned. Project deviations, if your project has deviations, you can start the corrective activities. I can talk about the project management process for hours, but the time is not enough. If you want professional consultancy, please contact with us. Best regards. Bye bye.